In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to republish your eBay listings to multiple sales channels using Nembol. We'll go through the full process from getting your account ready to publishing your products and finally making sure everything is synced correctly across your stores. This is a great workflow if you want to save time and avoid creating the same listings manually on each marketplace. To begin, create your Nembol account if you're new to the platform, or simply sign in if you already have one. Once you're inside the dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is connect your eBay seller account. This connection allows Nembol to access your active listings so you can work with them directly from one place. After your eBay account is connected, import your active eBay listings into Nembol. Depending on how many products you have, this may take a little time, so give the system a moment to pull everything in completely before moving on. Once the import is finished, you can then connect the other sales channels where you want to republish your products, such as Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce, or Prestashop. With your accounts connected, select the eBay listings you want to republish. It's a good idea to double-check that you're choosing the correct items, especially if you only want to send part of your catalog to other channels. When you're ready, click the Bulk Publish option to start the republishing process for multiple products at once. Next, choose the destination channels where those listings should go. After that, match each listing with the correct category for each marketplace. This step is important because categories can differ from one platform to another, and choosing the best match helps your products appear properly and remain compliant with marketplace requirements. Before publishing, carefully review the key listing details, including prices, quantities, variations, shipping settings, and product descriptions. Even if the information was already correct on eBay, each marketplace may have different rules or formatting expectations. If Nembol flags any marketplace-specific errors, take the time to correct them before continuing. Fixing those issues up front can prevent failed listings or incomplete product pages later. Once everything looks good, publish the selected listings. After the process is complete, check each destination channel to confirm that your products appear correctly. Look over the title, images, pricing, variations, and shipping details to make sure the final result matches what you intended. As a final step, enable quantity synchronization when appropriate. This is especially useful if you're selling the same items on multiple channels because it helps keep stock levels aligned and reduces the risk of overselling. And that's it. You've now taken your eBay listings and efficiently expanded them across multiple marketplaces using Nembol.